Will AI take all the animators' jobs? If you are an animator and if you're worried about your job just because the AI is getting better and better and growing faster and faster, if that is something which is making you worried, then this video is for you. In this video, I'm going to exactly share that which of the domains in the animation industry is going to get affected and in how much amount, and whether animators are going to get affected or not. But before that, if you are watching me for the first time, make sure that you subscribe to my YouTube channel and you follow me across all social media channels. Now, let's understand what is AI. Now, AI is a system which is developed, built by the humans and feeded with all the information till date. Now, whatever has happened till date, whatever the information about all the industries across all the globe, everything is being feeded in the system. And by using all those data, AI delivers the answers to the people. For whatever questions they are having, the AI can actually deliver it in a systematic way and within fraction of seconds. Now, this was for data. What about animation? What about the art? Now, when you give the right prompts, actually AI is able to create fantastic images, fantastic artworks within just few seconds. Now, who is going to get affected? As we discussed, that AI is something which is created and which creates on the basis of all the old data. So anything which is repetitive, anything which needs the continuous same thing going on, like a repetition, maybe a machine, maybe a human but working like a machine. So everything which is in that phase is going to get taken over by AI. Now, this includes even if you are a person working in McDonald's, then maybe your work can also be taken over by AI and robots might be created with the AI systems. So all the work which is repetitive is going to be taken over by AI. Now you can have bots, you can have humans doing the same work. Now if you talk about mathematics, now mathematics is a logical thing. Everything related to mathematics can be actually taken over by AI. So the people who are into mathematics need to really worry. But what about animation industry? This video is about animation industry. Now in animation industry, we have a lot of different domains: modeling, texturing, lighting, shading, rendering, animation, VFX, and a lot many different stuffs. So who is going to get affected the most? As I said, that AI is based on calculations. AI is based on the old systems, old information feeded. So anything which needs something creative which is beyond the imagination, which is not done yet. Now, as a human, as a creative person, everybody has different thoughts. So it's really hard to prompt AI to generate something about everybody. So a single person can think about something, but again, is the AI actually able to deliver it what the person is having it in his head or in her head? When I tried AI, actually I came to know that a lot of AI websites are not working the way it should be. And that's when I realized that actually AI people are fearing, but there are hardly few websites which are actually working fine and creating and generating the results which we need. Rest all the websites are just a crap. They are just using AI, but you will not get the results which you are looking for. Now coming back to the modeling. Now modeling is something wherein you just put your character sheet and then you model each and everything. And now sometimes we do the modeling in terms of the sculpting, when we do the sculpting. So these things can be actually taken over by AI, because once you feed in the data, once you feed the image that this is how my character should be, then definitely AI can actually model it in a very quick time. Now I'm not aware whether the systems are built like this or not, but definitely modeling is something which can be taken over by AI very soon. So if you are a modeler, but if you're not focusing on the artistic abilities, artistic skills of the modeling aspect, then it's going to be really hard for you. And same goes with the texturing, rigging. Now rigging might be like there can be something better because of AI, because rigging is already a technical thing. And AI will actually help a lot to have better rigs and to have more productivity in the rigging aspect. When we come to animation, our final call, when we come to animation, now animators are really worried about whether their jobs will be gone or not. Now, if I ask you, if you are an animator, if I ask you to say hello, you're going to say hello. If I ask the same thing to do to a separate person, the person might say just hello without any hand gesture. So, as an animator, the animation part is not similar for everybody. Everybody has a different thought process in delivering the animation, in doing the animation. So that is why this single aspect of the whole animation industry is going to be really hard to be taken over by AI. AI can do the repetitive work. AI cannot do the creative, the most of the creative work. It's not an image. Image can be created by prompting. Now you can prompt that this is the image, this is how it looks, these are the colors, this is the location. Every information can be fed because it's a single image. But when it comes to moving things, now again, you can have the movement. You can say that the character is walking. Now, are you actually getting the physics right in the walk cycles? When I have seen AI generated videos, in that lot of fundamentals are missing, and that is why that creative aspect can never be taken over by AI. Now motion capture, we already had motion capture a long back when Avatar came in. At that time we had motion capture. Now almost every gaming studio has this machine, this systems wherein they have the motion capture data, and then the animators actually clean up the motion capture data. So that is almost taken over by AI. Now we have the AI applications in iPhone which actually replicates the whole information from the camera onto a 3D character very easily. You don't need any system. That happens in phone without even using any software or doing anything or learning anything. So that's a fantastic thing because of AI. But definitely, as an animator, if you are actually working on your skills, if you actually know the artistic form of animation, and if you're really working hard to improve your skills, then definitely you don't need to worry at all about AI. In fact, you should be actually exploring AI and learning new ways of how you can introduce this AI thing and how you can actually take the benefit and improve your productivity by using AI. AI will never take your jobs because it's highly creative. Imagine if you are just walking and just speaking some dialogues and you are happy. Now when every person is in the same situation, it is not that everybody will walk the same, everybody will behave the same. If you go out and see, every person is walking in a altogether different format. Now the principles are still the same. Everybody is walking in the same way, just the way we create the walk cycles. But again, the style, the characteristics of the person are really different in all single person. No two walks in this whole world is same. That is the fact. That is also you will find this statement in the animation survival kit. So if I have to give a prompt that a character is walking, now how he is walking or she is walking, you cannot give the prompt, okay, 20 degrees right, 20 degrees pelvis left. When we do the animation, we don't focus on the values. We focus on whether it's looking good or not. And that's why it will be really hard for AI to actually take all the jobs of animators. So if you are an animator, congratulate yourself that you are safe. But let me remind you, if you are an animator working on some basic projects like rhymes and all, now when you do rhymes, actually there is no quality requirement. Kids like animations like that, and you don't have to think much on that. So that kind of animation, AI can generate very easily, wherein you don't need the fundamentals correct. So if you are someone doing that kind of work since a long time, maybe you need to think of improving your skills because it's going to be really hard for you in the coming days to actually survive because of AI. So that was all from my end, sharing about how AI is going to impact animators. And congratulate yourself because you all are safe. But make sure that you learn the right skills, you learn animation as an art and not just moving things. And if you are a beginner and if you're watching this video just to be clear about whether you should be joining animation career or not, let me remind you, as I shared, that you need to be good into your skills. So if you really want to become an animator and if you really don't want to worry about AI anymore, then I want to inform you that we are starting our April batch. So if you are somebody who is in high school, maybe your exams are getting cleared, then this is the time. Our admissions are going on. You can type in the comment section. You can just type animation in the comment section and my team will help you out with the further process of enrollment. And make sure you watch lot many videos from our channel so that you are confident about what do we do, how do we do all the stuff. I hope you like this video and now you are clear with that whether the animation or the animators are safe or not because of AI. So that's all from my side. Thank you so much for watching this video and I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care and God bless and keep following.